Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add a background color or image on any page of Microsoft Word for computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Microsoft Word software. And now you can see a default background color of the respective page. It's white in color by default. So in order to add a background color or image on this respective page, what you need to do is just click on this design. Now on the right side, you can see your page color. Just click on it. Now you will see a tons of different colors. So if you keep moving the mouse, so you can see the preview, how it looks. So once you are done, you can just click on it and it will be get applied. So this is how you can add a background color. And if you want to add a background image, then once again, click on this page color. And now you will see here fill effects option. Just click on it. Now, in order to add a picture, just click on this picture and now just click on this select picture. Now, three different options to choose. So if you want to choose it from your computer, then you can just click on this from a file and you can select your respective image file and you can click on insert in order to add a picture, or you can search in the Bing, or you can add it from the OneDrive cloud storage to add your respective image as a background. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add a background color or image on any page of Microsoft Word for computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.